Hello and welcome to a review of the Sparrows Kickstart set. I believe it goes for about 20 something sterling. Let's get it open. Now, out of the cases about the width or the height of a tuxedo case, very long, or sorry, very narrow. The usual Sparrow sticker and the Sparrows tension bar set. Let's get this out of the way. Nothing special about the tension bars. There we go. There we go. So, 3 twisties. My probable favorites. I like the little twist in it. We have 3 Z tension wrenches. Here we focus. Different thicknesses. All in all, pretty decent selection of tension wrenches. Now, this Velcro seems very long. This flap seems very long. Very basic kit, but this is one of the reasons why I ordered this particular one. All in 25 thousandths, I believe. I'll check that in a second now. You have a worm. One of the Sparrows particulars. A city rake in just about every kit going. An offset diamond. And a hook. And the finish on these is actually really, really good. I would have to say I would be happy using this straight out of the pack. Just check. What thickness they are. I'll second. Can't see your camera. Sorry. These are just a little over 25 thousandths according to my cheap calipers. Let's try a different one. There we go, 25 thousandths. Yeah, pretty standard for Sparrows. They're the basic handless picks. They are a nice thick pick though. Is it worth the money? If you just want a small basic set, yes, definitely worth the money. Lovely tension set. Pick selection, okay, if I was only picking 4, it was alright. And then you have the case, which you can fill with a lot of other stuff, which I intend to do. As I said, I bought this for the base for something. So, should be very good. So, Sparrows Kickstart set. 2022 sterling, I believe, from UK Bumpkies. Click like and subscribe.